So today I'm going to take you through how to effectively use Cami to turn in an assignment. So all your teacher actually needs to do is provide a link to a PDF. And if you're on a Chromebook, when you click that link, you're going to notice that it's actually auto-downloading. And it's actually being placed in your files in your downloads. So it's important to know that because what you're going to essentially do is click on the blue K in your browser to open up Cami, and you're actually going to select Open from Computer. It's going to take you to your files and downloads, and there's going to be that link for you to open. Once you double click on that, it's actually going to open it within Cami. And so once you're within Cami, you're just going to make sure you're using the text box, and then you can sort of fill in as you need using that box. You're going to notice that for me, I actually have it synced to my Google Drive. You can do that by going to Save, and under this Google Drive portion, you'll have the ability to link your Google Drive. The only thing is, in order to save it on your drive, you actually have to come and hit Save Now once you've made all these changes, which is what this lightning bolt is telling me. Once you've done that, it's actually saving it in my Google Drive in my Cami upload folder. I could easily change that and put it in a specific class folder. It's really nice. And so once you're done with the assignment, you actually have a couple ways that you could submit it. Since it's already being saved in your Google Drive, you can just upload it from that Google Drive. You also have the ability to send it to a printer or to actually download it. And you can either download it on the Chromebook or to your Google Drive. Right, and you even have the opportunity to rename the file, and you can even select from here the destination folder in case you wanted it to be something different. So you have a lot of options. For example, I'm going to choose computer. Sometimes you'll need to flatten annotations in case things don't transfer properly. And then ultimately, when I go to here, I have a couple options. So when I hit Submit Assignment, I could go to my Google Drive. If you recall, I put it in my Mr. Gallagher's English folder. So once that populates, I'll be able to open up that folder, and you'll see the file will be there waiting for me. So under Gallagher English, and then there's that Cami export file. If I go to File Uploads, if you recall, I also downloaded it onto the Chromebook, so you're going to see that completed one there. So you have a couple options on how you ultimately submit it. If you have any questions, see your teacher or find me in 1202. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks.